Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equations exercise 4.4 question 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So first of all let us write rectangular park. Okay, so there is a rectangular park of perimeter is given to us. Perimeter is 80 meter, area is 400 meter square. So is it possible when perimeter is this much and area is this much? Is it possible? If it is yes, then we have to find length and breadth. So consider if this is your breadth and this is your length. Okay, so now perimeter is given to us. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. This is perimeter. Area is what? Area is length into breadth. Okay, this is area. Now in the question what is given to us? Perimeter is given to us. Perimeter means this surrounding, this whole thing is perimeter. Area means inside part. This all inside part we call it area. Okay, I'll write down here. Inside part is area, outside part we call it perimeter. So now let's write down first perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is how much? 2 times length plus breadth. Perimeter is given to us 80. Okay, this is L plus B. This 2 let us bring this side. This is in division, multiplication. When it comes here, goes to division, we will have L plus B. So how much we will get? 40. So 40 is L plus B, means length and breadth together gives us 40. So that means the length, let the length of rectangular park. Okay, rectangular park, let's keep it x. Okay, because together it is 40. So that means if length, if I take x, then breadth will be how much? So breadth of rectangular part, if length is x, then breadth means how much? From 40, this is total, right? From there, if we minus the length, we will get the breadth. See, for example, this you consider as x plus y equal to 40. X is what? Length, and y is what? Breadth. Okay, so if length is x, then breadth will be how much? Y will be 40 minus x. So that's why written breadth is 40 minus x, because together it is 40. So length is x means breadth will be 40 minus length will give us breadth. Okay, so now according to the question, what is the question here? Area is given to us, right? If it is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter and area of this? If so, find length and breadth. Okay, so now according to the question, the length and the breadth is how much? Area, right? So length is how much? X into breadth is how much? 40 minus x. Now area is how much? 400. Okay, now solve this. We will get 40x minus x square equal to 400. So now let's bring this 400 inside. 40x minus x square, this will become minus here equal to 0. Let us arrange in the standard form. So minus x square plus 40x minus 400 equal to 0. Now I told you x square cannot be in minus, so whole thing we will multiply with minus. So then we will get x square, this will become minus, this becomes plus. So now this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we have to find out whether this situation is possible or no. Is it possible? So for that we should know the nature of the root. So we have to find out the d value. So d is what actually? B square minus 4ac. So here a is what? A is 1, b value is minus 40, c is 400. Okay, so let's put the value here. B is minus 40 whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is 400. So minus, when you square it becomes plus, and then 40 square will give us 1600. If you don't know, you can do 4 square first. 4 square means 4 into 4, 16. Then square of 0 will be 20. Okay. Minus, same way, 4 4s are 16 and 20 is there. Okay. That means we will get 0. What does this mean? When 0 means? 0 meaning because d is equal to 0, it has two equal real roots. Okay, so that means we will have the same answer twice. We have to write down when d is equal to 0. Okay, so that means this situation is possible. What is said in the question? If it is possible, find its length and breadth. So it is possible. So let us find the length and the breadth. So now to find, we have to put it in the equation. So the equation is minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. So let's put the value. Minus b is minus, minus is here, and b value is minus 40. Okay, then plus or minus, d is how much? D is 0. 2, a value is 1. Okay, so let's solve this. Minus into minus will become plus, minus into minus plus, so 40. Then the whole thing becomes 0. This becomes a 0. This will be 2. Now if we cancel, we will get 20. So x value is 20. So we told you when d is equal to 0, same answer twice we have to write. So same answer twice it will come. So therefore length is how much? Length of the rectangular will be 20 meter and the breadth also will be 20 meter. You see here, length of the rectangular is x we said. So x value is 20. X value is 20. And then breadth of the rectangular is 40 minus x. So 40 minus x also will give us the same thing. So let's see here. Breadth is 40 minus x is 20. So what will be 40 minus 20 will be 20 only. So that means length also same, breadth also same. So now the question arises, how a rectangular can be all sides same? Length also is 20, breadth also 20. You see, how can we say that length and the breadth can be same in the rectangle? So for that, see, remember that if this is the square, okay, square can be called rectangular. Why? Because square, all opposite direction is same, opposite side is same. So rectangular also opposite side is same. So this should be same. So here also opposite sides are same. So this has a 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree. So all the qualities of the square is there in the rectangle. Therefore, all squares can be rectangle. Okay. So that's why this can be a rectangular park. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.